There are at least 5 confirmed cases of the coronavirus in the U.S. That's according to CNN. A number for the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention predicts it will continue to climb.
41 NBC's Jatrissa Wooten joins us now to explain the different strands of the virus and how to treat it.
Now, Washington State, Chicago, Los Angeles, and Orange County, California, and Arizona have reported a case of the coronavirus. Luckily for us here in Middle Georgia, we have not seen a case as of yet, but medical professionals are urging us to know what the virus is.
The virus that's putting everyone on edge, known as the coronavirus.
This is a new novel coronavirus. There's been a couple of those over the last 20 years, SARS, MERS.
This new virus began in China and is found in animals. That is usually how it's transmitted, much like SARS. But in the most recent U.S. cases, Dr. Stevens says the virus is being spread from person to person.
So the most likely would be respiratory spread.
Medical experts say there are about 100 coronaviruses. Much of those viruses cause a common cold.
You can have fever, typically lasts somewhere in the range of 3 to 7 days.
The coronavirus that we are experiencing in the U.S. is of a different strain than the one coming out of China.
And the routine test that we do currently that picks up the more common strains of coronavirus, we don't want people to be alarmed if they test positive on that viral respiratory screen because that is not this new strain.
Dr. Kennedy says you can't treat most viruses, but there are some preventative measures.
Of course, good hand washing always. And if you are with a patient who's sick or visiting a patient in the hospital, if they are in isolation, to please put a mask on if you're told to, or a gown and glove if you're instructed to.
As of now, the CDC is screening travelers from China at several U.S. airports, including Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. It began screening last week.
Local medical specialists are asking residents who may have traveled internationally within the last 3 weeks to go get a screening, just in case. Back to you guys.